On the left panel, scroll down until you see the option labeled Magic Media and click on it. In the Magic Media section, select the style of image you want to create. Click on Inspire Me. This feature will provide various ideas for your project. You will see an idea written by AI. Review the idea and make any necessary adjustments. You can also select the aspect ratio that suits your project. Once you are happy with the idea and aspect ratio, click on Generate Icon or Image. Wait for the image to be generated and you will see the progress on the screen. Once the image is generated, select it. Right-click on the image and choose Set Image as background. Click on Go Back to return to the previous menu. Click on Inspire Me again to get new text ideas. Each time you click on Inspire Me, the text suggestion will change. Select a new style and aspect ratio for your next image. Click on Generate Image again to see a new creation such as panda riding a bike. Click on Add Page and drag the new picture onto the canvas. Right-click on the new picture and select Set Image as background. If you click on the three dots on an image, you will find an option called Generate More like this. Use this to create similar images. Navigate to the graphics section, click on Inspire Me, and then click on it again to change the ideas until you find one you like. Choose the desired style and aspect ratio. Click on Generate Graphics and wait for the AI to create it. Once the graphic is generated, select it. Right-click on the graphic and choose Set Image as background. You can also detach the image from the background if needed. If you want to create more images or graphics using AI, simply select More Ideas and click on Generate. Make sure to check the link in the description down below to access Canva, and if this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.